Let's do Maka and Naka for this next video. Maka and Naka, they are, again, with the part of the agent voice, right? So we're going to be using those absolutive and the ang set of focus markers for conjugation with Maka and Naka on verbs. Maka and Naka easily just mean they have the ability, the abilitative way, or have a potential for a verb to act upon. They have the ability to make verbs have the capability and opportunity to do something, and they can also present accidentals, right? Accidental cases that happened in completed or incomplete verbs. A little, just something. I wouldn't say it's gonna be like truth, but it's just a general kind of guideline that you could use to indicate whether verbs are complete or incompleted. Is that on this timeline, verbs that are conjugated with a n with the letter na generally mean like it's an action that has been done in the past sometime, right? It's an action that has been completed, somewhere done in the past, versus verbs that have conjugations with the ma, right? With the letter ma, with the letter m, right? Ma, express incompletedness, sometimes something that is in the future. And this isn't all true in all cases. It's just a general guideline. So, like for example, in the agent voices, right, we can look at past tense verb conjugations for completed verbs with like nag, ni, naka, right? But of course, there are exceptions. Like me, obviously, is not. But generally, like mag, maka, maga, mag, those indicate a future or incompletedness or incepting action. So it's just something that you can use as a little trick, but it doesn't work in all cases. So easily done, right? We can look at these example sentences. Makasabot ba mo sa akong lengguwahe? Notice how makasabot ba mo, right? We use kamo or the shortened form mo, right? Because we can shorten the first pronoun, not the second, and it's generally going to be the absolutive case pronoun. Makasabot ba mo sa akong lengguwahe? Which means, are you able to understand my language? Or are you able to understand my talking? Notice too that sa is used because we have to use the lesser forms, the non-focus markers, for something that wasn't our main focus. Remember, this is in the agent voice, and we're using actor focus or agent focus or whatever that main focus or agent voice. So we're going to use our focus for it, right? Makasabot, and then kamo is our pronoun that we use. Whereas sa akong lengguwahe is our non-focus, marked by sa. Next one, nakapalit ko sa sapatos niya. Again, sa sapatos niya, his shoes or her shoes, to her shoes. I was able to buy her shoes. Nakapalit ko sa sapatos niya. I was able to buy it. Naka. Remember, it happened in the past. It was completed and it was abilitative, so you had the ability or the opportunity to do it. I was able to buy. Palit meaning to buy her shoes. And ko from ako. Nakalimut siya sa oras, por eso what di ay siya pa nagmata. Let me read this one again. Nakalimut siya sa oras, por eso what di ay siya pa nagmata. Alright, so she forgot the time, right? Nakalimut siya, so she had forgotten or forgot the time. This is accidental here, right? Because she forgot as well. Oh no, it was an accident. She forgot the time. That's why, or therefore, she hasn't woken up still, or she still hasn't woken up indeed. Makakita ka og usa ka bukid dito, right? Makakita ka og usa ka bukid dito means you will be able to see one mountain over there, right? You would be able to see one mountain over there. Makakita ka og usa ka bukid dito. And notice how it's singular, right? Usa ka bukid, and it's og, so it is one of those specific versus non-specifics, if you remember that, right? Specific versus non-specific, right? Makakita ka og usa ka bukid dito, right? It's telling us there is a mountain over there, okay? So that's just a nutshell of Maka and Naka for the agent voice. It's really easy and it shows just abilitative opportunities, capability, that kind of stuff. It's really easy.